okay, so you came over here, what's the thought process in terms of like investment banking and when did that come on the horizon? Was it like not until your sophomore year, junior year? Did you always know freshman year where you're like, I'm going to be an investment banker? How did it work?
No, so freshman year was very much about adjusting to life in the US and the culture shock and figuring out whether I wanted to focus on a career that was sort of directly in line with um, economics. So say if I wanted to do research or go down the grad school or PhD path. And while I was fascinated by macro, I soon realized that that was not something that I wanted to pursue. So it was more my second year when I started to look at a natural adjacency to economics, which is finance, and kind of expose myself more to the field by actively reading financial newspapers more, joining a finance club on campus, talking to a couple of peers and seniors, and just sort of immersing myself more in what that's all about. That first piqued my curiosity, and then I started thinking about, okay, how do I actually get firsthand exposure to to finance and the finance world. I then, at the end of my sophomore year, I knew I was coming back to India for the summer, potentially my last summer back in India, which it turned out to be. And so I wrote to a couple of India offices of a couple of the Wall Street banks. And as it happens, one of them had sort of an unpaid externship program for their Asia offices. And through that, I was able to at least get exposed to investment banking and see what it was all about.